Hello?
I've been calling you since now. You're not picking my call. What happened?
Yeah, babe, I told you I'm at work.
I did not come back for this December for you to be telling me you are working now. I came back so that me and you go spend time now. Eh?
Babe, I was so close. Like, imagine how I was like,
What are you talking to?
my boyfriend, man.
Who is your stupid boyfriend?
You? Who's that shouting for you?
You left my customer there just to answer your foolish boyfriend's call? Are you okay?
I'm sorry, man.
Carry your foolish body and get out of here! Now! Get inside! Imagine!
Wait, the main manager calling me stupid. Calling my babe fool. Alright, let's see.
Welcome to Chevron's Limited Salon. How may we help you?
Are you the manager here?
Yes, I am. Is there any problem?
Oh, you are the manager.
Okay.
So, where's the boss?
My boss, I'm the manager here. Talk to me. What's the problem? Talk to me.
There will be problem if I leave here.
It has not gotten to that. Just chill, okay? You can come and sit down. Let me go and call him.
Babe, you didn't tell me you're coming here.
It's okay. Everything's gonna be alright, okay?
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Yeah, Chief. Good day. You are the owner of this place, right?
Yes, I am.
I want to buy this place.
You?
So, how much are you selling it?
Who told you I'm selling?
Yeah? You are here to make profit, right?
Oh, definitely.
So, how much are you selling it?
I'm gonna indulge you. Okay? 500 million.
Is that your best offer?
Yes.
Alright. Give me your account.
310-864-0135.
Okay. Sent. Check your account.
Yeah! 500 million!
Can I get the papers?
Oh, let me go and get it. Boss.
Relax. Boss. Give it to her. Give it to her.
Somebody shout power.
Congratulations. This is your new madam now. I clear.
Asa. All the ginaka now.
The work is done. I won.
Mona,
Yes, ma'am.
you're a fool.
Okay, ma'am.
Mona, you're stupid.
I know, ma'am.
You still want to work here?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, take care of this place. Let me go and have fun with my man.
Okay, ma'am.
Babe.
See, if anybody will make Madam Vest for this salon, I must serve the best.